Let's get, there we go, light on. All right. Okay. And here it looks essentially the same. All right. Got these tile sections added to the wall. Got some primed walls. We got some door casings in. Oh, it's dark in here. Not a ton of light. See what we got. All right. Okay. Manager's office. That's essentially it. Alright, let's do a sidewalk. Looks like some landscaping grading has started. Post for the sign, concrete pillars been put in. Light posts have been added. So some of the little stuff's been completed. And the building's been wrapped. And as we can see, the trash enclosure is actually an enclosure now. All right, and they're building the trash enclosure. Well, yep, the building's been wrapped. And it looks like we've had some priming done inside as well. Well, it's starting to look a little like rain all of a sudden. Doesn't look like there's really any changes in the pump area. Let's see. We'll just check this out and see. Oh yeah. We'll check out the interior changes here in a second. But yep, the pumps don't look like they've done any additional work that's visible here. So let's go around this side over here. Alright, that looks like that's pretty much it for the exterior. Some minor changes. Building being wrapped. All the posts being put in. The trash enclosure being constructed. So that's progress on the exterior walk. All right. Get ready to check out the interior. Oh, the lovely smell of porta potties. Okay.